Okay, so today we're doing a alternator on a 2014 Chevy Captivia. Now I did this a couple different ways already, but this way seems to be the easiest that I've ever done so far. First thing is, of course, you have to remove the box that goes here. These two bolts that holds the mount, one here, one there. You remove those two bolts so that you could jack the motor up. Power steering pump. I remove the power steering pump and put a cap on it, get it out of the way. And I also remove the upper radiator hose. It doesn't necessarily have to remove it, but it makes things a little bit more easier. And that gives you access to these bolts and them for the alternator, one there, and one on the underneath. Wires and them connecting the alternator is easy from the bottom. And you just pull it up right here. Comes right there. Shit. There you go. Comes right up there. So the easiest way, as I say, to get this done is that I see some people removing the bracket and the motor mount and all this stuff. I don't think you necessarily have to do all of that. The easiest way, and I think in all the other ways that I did it, this is the easiest way. There you go.